Welcome back to Beautyistic, everyone. Today we're diving into the Raquel Welch Trendsetter Mid-Length Shag Wig, specifically the large cap size in the R1226H Honey Pecan color. This wig promises a natural, glossy look with its Kanekalon Vibralite synthetic hair fiber, designed to hold its shape even after washing. With layered texture, flipped ends, and a memory cap too for a snug fit, it aims to bring effortless style and comfort to your daily hair routine. Let's see how it performs in real life. So right out of the box, the first thing I noticed was how light this wig feels, only about 2.5 ounces. That's a huge plus because heavy wigs can get uncomfortable fast. The mid-length shag style is super trendy, with lots of layers and that cool flip textured finish all over, which really gives it movement and dimension. The color Honey Pecan, a warm mix of medium brown and honey blonde highlights, looks very natural and flattering for many skin tones. The memory cap too is a standout feature. It's made from a fine stretch lace material that molds nicely to the head, offering a custom-like fit. For someone like me who's worn many wigs, I can tell you this cap provides excellent breathability and comfort. The extended nape also helps keep the wig securely in place without feeling tight or irritating. Using the wig was straightforward. The fiber is soft but resilient thanks to the Kanekalon Vibralite technology, meaning it looks glossy without the synthetic shine that cheap wigs often have. After washing, I could just finger comb or gently brush it, and it bounced right back to that stylish shag shape. It definitely keeps up well with a busy lifestyle since it's ready to wear with minimal fuss. The length at the front and crown is 4¼ inches, which frames the face nicely without overwhelming your look. And the sides and back are around 3¼ inches, giving a balanced silhouette. Now, no product is perfect. While the texture and volume are great, I found the wig a little thin around the crown if you like a very full look. Also, since it's synthetic, it's not heat-friendly, so styling options with curling irons or straighteners are limited, which might be a downside if you love to switch styles regularly with heat tools. When it comes to value, this wig sits in the mid to upper price range for synthetic wigs, which I think is justified. The quality of the fibers, combined with the cap technology and the brand reputation of Raquel Welch, means you're paying for comfort, style, and durability. If you want a natural-looking synthetic wig that's easy to maintain and gives you that trendy shag style without breaking the bank on human hair wigs, this is a solid choice. Compared to other synthetic wigs I've tried, this one outperforms many in terms of comfort and realism. Some cheaper options tend to look overly shiny or feel stiff, but this wig strikes a nice balance. However, if you're after more styling versatility, investing in a heat-friendly synthetic wig or a human hair wig might be better, but those come at a higher price point. The packaging and build quality are also worth noting. Raquel Welch really delivers on sleek, user-friendly packaging, and the wig cap feels durable enough to last several months with regular use. I haven't had to interact with customer support directly, but the brand has a solid reputation for good service and product satisfaction guarantees, which is reassuring. If you're looking for a similar style but on a tighter budget, there are less expensive synthetic shag wigs out there. However, you might sacrifice that comfortable cap fit or the natural fiber feel that this one offers. So if comfort and look are your priority, I'd recommend sticking with this Raquel Welch option. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. To wrap up, the Raquel Welch Trendsetter Mid-Length Shag Wig is a fantastic pick for anyone wanting an easy-to-wear, stylish, and natural-looking synthetic wig with great comfort and a trendy cut. It's especially suitable for those who want a low-maintenance yet fashion-forward option that can quickly elevate everyday looks. If you prefer full-bodied wigs or like heat styling, you might want to explore other options. But overall, this wig delivers on its promises. Thanks so much for watching Beautyistic. You can find the purchase link down in the description or comments box. And if you've already tried this wig, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts and experiences. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.